everybody, it's Lila here, and I have a question for you. What's growing in your pot? A lot of the times I let my pots just self-seed with nature. Absolutely whatever wants to grow. And then I find treasures. If you can spot any treasure in here, let me know. I'll give you an example. Here are mullein. This, I believe, is my yarrow. So if you don't plant things, dandelion, you may be surprised that your empty pot from your annuals will actually be some treasure. Now these are the yarrows that I did plant in pots. Look at that mullein right there. Look at that mullein. And I didn't have to plant a thing. So what's in your pot?